2022 Ferrari F8 Spider. Now this is a bit of me, this car. This is me all over. I think the way this car's been spec'd, it's done 1,700 miles in Rosso Corsa with all the right extras. I just think it looks right. This is how, if I was going to order one of these cars and spec one of these cars, this is the colour, this is the way I'd go for. It's got the large racing Daytona seats in carbon. You've got the carbon fibre driver zone. I'm just going to show you the car now with the roof down. What a car. 710 horsepower, these cars, 0 to 62.9 seconds. You know, one of the last true V8 engines. But I just think the way the car's been spec'd, the way it looks, I just think it's a tremendous example. Do your research, because, you know, we do these videos and tell you about the car and the spec, but if you're in the market for a Ferrari F8 Spider, this car's the best priced car in the country. For me, it's the best looking one. The Rosso Corsa, it's got the adaptive light, it's got the suspension lifter. It's just a wonderful car. And I think my favourite car, F8 Spider, I don't think there's a better car, performance, looks, everything. I just think they ooze quality. I love the shape of them. I love the way they've done the bonnet, just everything about it. And it's got the right spec. I think it's got the forged wheels, which are done in gloss black, yellow calipers, ceramic brakes. You've got the Scuderia shields, yellow centres in yellow. But just the shape, the aerodynamics, everything about an F8 Spider, I just think is absolutely tremendous. Them big air intakes, and obviously they're a fast car, aren't they? They produce noise, power, performance. But I just think the way the car's been spec'd, you've got the remaining of your 7-year Ferrari Maintenance Plan, you've got your Ferrari warranty, everything what goes with it, and then you've got this interior. So you've got the side sills in carbon, you've got them large racing Daytona carbon fibre seats. Look at the carbon on the back of them. They're adjustable as well, so they've got the lifter. You've then got the carbon fibre driver zone, so you've got your steering along the centre bridge, all in carbon fibre. It's just a absolute beast. And them seats are very, very comfortable, so when you get in it, it's usable. It's got the suspension lifter, which makes a big difference. And the car is absolutely beautiful. All the keys, all the tracker fobs are with the car. I'm just going to start it up again. The car. There you've got your red stitching. See all the carbon fibre, the red stitching, everything on it is absolutely beautiful. Reversing camera. So just pop that on. Just put it into, actually, stick it in reverse. So you can see you've got your reversing camera there as well. But the interior, the carbon, the seats, everything about it is absolutely tremendous. We've priced it as well to sell it, as I touched on. But I just don't think there's a better car. This is going live on our website. If you want to call me, get it secured and be in a beautiful F8 Spider for summer, just give me a call. The number's on the bottom of the screen. Thank you for watching.